Not lower your value.
So it is beautiful, right?
Dah berat dah.
Bismillah.
Belakang ni betul-betul, babe. Belakang ni.
Oh no, sorry nak.
Kau memang sengaja kan?
Tu apa? Opao. Dalam dia apa? Telur.
Udang, tahu, telur.
Oh.
Ni jangan buka dah steam baru potong baru buka tu.
Okay. Okay.
Juga dibikin halaman woodlands sebelum pusat pemeriksaan woodlands. Okay.
This is my tote bag project. I wanted to use extra fabric lying around. This is like my samping, you know, the kind of cloth that you use for Hari Raya. So this one is my sample, and then this I felt that the measurements are better. I felt that this is a bit too long, and then I made like double straps so that you can either use the shorter one or you can hang it over your shoulder. But I felt that the straps was too thin, and then I don't like the way that I reinforced the sewing. I don't think it's very clean. And then this sample, I felt that the shape is a bit better. This one was longer, and then it doesn't look nice when you wear it in terms of shape, but I think this shape is much better. And then I like that the straps are a bit thicker, and then the size is actually just enough, at least for myself, to hang over my shoulder. And then I can also hang it I can also carry it by hand, and it's not like, it will not like touch the floor. My mom made kway teow. So I'm just gonna eat directly from here. I'm like a bit lazy to do any cleanup.
For items without any Japanese cents. Enjoy
I don't know why I feel like going out today so much. I think I wanted to go somewhere, but because it was raining, plus I just made my bag, so I just want to test out how effective the bag is. There's something I like about it, there's something I don't like about it. I did know that I wanted to buy some stationery because at work I don't actually have proper pen. I decided to buy this Sharpie pen, some Pilot marker. I'm not the most tech savvy at work, so I use the planner to actually like jot down like, you know, important dates and whatnot. I felt that it will help me be more productive at work if I have all these eye-catching stickers, because my work is more visual, so I think this will help me a lot. I wanted to make some juice, so I bought some spinach, but I was so thirsty and I felt like having a soda, so it's kind of defeating the purpose. I don't really buy these kind of things, but I don't know, I just wanted to cheer myself up, so I got this cute little bag and it has this inflatable. Oh, so it started already ah?
Yeah, it has already been started.
Okay.
Dah lama.
Oh, ni dah tanya. Astagfirullah, dia want to laser. Yang pasal rebate ni, aku tanya Mr. Pan lagi. Cepat makan. Nah, no, don't say that. I'm already depressed.
Malam aku punya kata dah sampai malam-malam.
Oh, bestnya.
Wah, aku macam habis dia tanya aku
Ah, panas. Oh, the next day. The only is statues dengan apa nama? Justoma for the purple. Then we just add other filler flower lah. Dia nak pink. Yeah.
Then when you create the net, then you pour it in. Okay, I do. Okay, you restart again.
Oh my god,
You need to practice. This one will hold. Then you have to open some more. You try to open some more. Yes. You see?
Oh,
Then
okay,
quickly-
okay. I got
quickly
it. So
slot that in.
now,
Okay, enough. Enough, bro.
Just one hand to open. Yeah. Open. Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Good job.
The Christmas tree okay tak? Plus the red thing eh?
oh yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
To our dearest mother Papi.
Tapi curu.
Papi Chu. Awak lah, ya Allah.
Not lower your value.
So it is beautiful, right?
Dah berat lah.
Bismillah.
Belakang ni betul-betul, babe. Belakang ni.
Oh no, sorry nak.
Kau memang sengaja kan?
I think you should focus more on it.
Oh, so pretty.
Do we have cinnamon there? Can we use the sage? Is it lame?
Yes.
Thanks, Regina.
I like this thing.
Cinnamon
This bubble thing.
lime.
Like,
But it's not visible. So, like compared to the other one, right? It looks like two different people make this.
oh,
Yeah.
like the feel is different.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Some happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Father.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you, everybody. Welcome.
Come, let's eat.
Put 2 bowls in one picture. Okay,
Try,
let's
try,
take the
try.
small one first. Yeah, that's
Wait, do you want to put it together and see
I want
how?
also. I want a group shot. I want the individual shot. I think it's too much.
I don't know what's up with this. You suddenly like look, cannot. The stock not available. Then like very expensive.
tenang menghidupkan air ibu jumpa tanya. Jangan sampai saya
Oh, this is so much work. It's so loose. Single align sidebars. Align sidebar mana? Oh my god. Eh. Wait, how do I do this? This product is so dodgy, man. Yes. Ah. How do I do this? I finally fixed this shoe rack, and guess what? This is supposed to be the top. This is supposed to be the bottom, right? And then look at this idiot. He go and put it at the wrong side. I mean, like, at some point, I